Linguists say 50 words cover about half of everything you hear in everyday Russian conversation. I picked the 50 that actually matter. Not textbook words, real words. Let's go. We start with survival words. These 15 words will help you navigate almost any basic situation in Russia. The first one is da. It's yes, simple and direct. The second one is нет. It's no, hard and clear. The third one is можно. May I or it is allowed, easy to order food or ask to enter. The fourth one, нельзя. It's forbidden, the opposite of можно. The next one is спасибо. Thank you. The next one is пожалуйста. Please or you're welcome. Now, 3 words to be polite and start chat. Извините. Excuse me or sorry. Привет. Hi, informal and friendly. Пока. Bye. Next, with 5 golden questions words, master these and you can ask for anything. Как? How? As in, how are things? Что? What? Remember, it's pronounced with a sh sound, not che. Next one is где? It's where. Where's the taxi? Where's the hotel? The next one is когда? When? And next one is почему? Why? And last survival word is кто, which means who. With just these 15 words, you can already survive a day in Moscow. You can say yes, no, ask where things are, and be polite. But to build real sentences, we need actions. Let's move on to the core verbs of Russian language. Now let's look at action verbs. These 15 verbs are very heavy machinery of every sentence you will ever build. Хотеть, to want, essential for ordering or expressing desires. The next one is знать, to know, as in I know this word. Думать, to think. Говорить, to speak or to talk. Понимать, to understand, your most important word as a beginner. Next, physical movements and senses. Идти, to go or to walk. Смотреть, to watch or to look. The action is посмотреть. Слушать, it's to listen. The next one is есть, to eat. The next one is пить, to drink. And finally, the verbs of a daily routine and life. Купить, to buy. You'll use this in every store and a cafe. The next one is делать, to do or to make. The next one is работать, to work. The next one is love, любить. The next one is помочь, to help. If you ever need assistance, just say this word. These verbs are the core. If you combine a survivor word with an action word, you get a phrase. For example, можно купить, can I buy this? Or я хочу есть, I want to eat. But to make your Russian sound smooth, natural, and logical, we need the glue. We need context, words. Let's finish our list with the 20 words that connect everything together. The final 20 words are context words. They are pronouns, adverbs, and connectors. They act like the glue for your vocabulary. Let's speak of the pace and finish this marathon. Time and location words. Сейчас, it means now. Потом, which means later. Здесь means here. And там means there. Words to evaluate things. Хорошо, good or okay. Плохо, bad. Много, much or many. Мало, a few or little. Quantity and certainty. Все, everything or that's it. Ничего, nothing, pronounced with a V sound, not G. Может быть, maybe. Конечно, of course, pronounced with a sh sound. State and modifiers. Уже, which means already. Еще, more or still. Только, which means only. Очень, which means very, and тоже means also or too. And the three ultimate connectors to link your thoughts. Потому что, because, но, which means but, and и, just one single letter, means and. That is 50 words. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the list, but looking at the words on the screen is one thing. Remembering them under pressure is another. Right now, we are going to do a fast live interactive test to see how many of these 50 words stuck in your brain. Do not skip this. Time for a quick test. The rules are simple. I will say a word in English and you have exactly 2 seconds to shout out the Russian translation out loud. Don't be shy, say it out loud wherever you are right now. Ready? Let's go. Yes. Correct? Да. No. Нет. Thank you. Спасибо. Where? Где? I want. Я хочу. Now. Сейчас. Of course. Конечно. And that's a wrap. How many did you get right? Tell me your score in the comments below. Be honest. If you want to practice these 50 words further, I've got you covered. Head over to my Patreon right now. I uploaded a complete PDF workbook with example sentences for every single word from this list, along with an audio track and sheet to practice your listening and pronunciation. It's just $5 a month and it completely supercharges your learning. The link is in the description box right below this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next real life Russian lessons. Пока!